It's that half moon on your nails. Did you know that? That's right. That internal and whitish part of your nail that resembles a half moon can reveal a lot about your health. Changes in color, shape, and size not only can indicate health issues, but also a predisposition to some diseases. Interesting, isn't it? This type of diagnosis can help you notice issues faster. Analyze your nails and see what they may indicate. Invisible lunula. If you notice an absence of the whitish part of your nails, don't panic. Sometimes they take longer to appear, or may even not appear, because of physiological peculiarities of the nail. However, according to modern medicine, when they disappear, it is a symptom of blood circulation issues. Research showed that the absence of lunula is related to thyroid issues or to a lack of vitamin B12 and iron. Small lunula. A small lunula that doesn't reach the end of nail cuticles suggests low blood pressure and blood circulation problems. This can also be a sign that your immune system is affected, your metabolism is slow, or indicate a deficiency of iron and vitamin B12 in your body. Big lunula. They reach 1/3 or more of all your nail and may indicate cardiovascular issues, alterations in cardiac rhythm, and low blood pressure. This kind of lunula is more common in athletes or people who work in physical activities. Besides that, your lunulae can also get bigger in times of stress. Curious, isn't it? If the lunula, either small or big, is isolated from the rest of the nail by a transversal line, it suggests a problem with your blood sugar levels, like diabetes. Besides the size, the color of lunulae can also be altered. A white lunula is a good sign since it is a natural color. But there are other colors, such as gray, which indicates tiredness, digestive issues, and difficulty absorbing nutrients. Blue-gray lunulae are a sign of bad blood circulation and lack of oxygen in organs and tissues. Many times, people who have blue-gray lunulae can feel more nausea and headaches. Pink or red lunulae can indicate lung issues. And black lunula is a very dangerous sign, albeit less frequent, that usually suggests intoxication by heavy metals. Now that we have talked about the possible sizes and colors that lunulae can have, see how they can be different on each finger. On your thumb, it reflects the functioning of lungs and spleen. It is the biggest one of all and should occupy more or less 25% of your nail. It can get smaller in smokers or get bigger in cases of high blood pressure. Stay alert. On your index finger, if the lunula doesn't exist or is small, it can indicate bad functioning of the intestines or pancreas, or even chronic diseases of the upper airways. On the middle finger, the lunula is related to brain and cardiovascular system functions. The absence of a lunula can reveal blood vessel issues and also high blood pressure. The lunula of your ring finger is associated with the works of the reproductive and lymphatic systems. A less visible lunula on this finger can suggest metabolism issues. And last, the pinky. On this finger, the lunula is usually almost invisible or completely absent. It is linked to the functioning of kidneys, small intestine, and heart. So, did you check your nails? What shape and color are they? Is there any of them that is different from the others?